when you go into Google, it works. Alright? Cars. Cars. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, cars. I'm searching for cars. Look at that, a Bugatti. What? Oh, God, spread my neck. I'm going to uninstall the app. Okay, so the app is gone technically. Alright guys, you can see. Okay, so the app is gone, alright? It's gone, alright? And you can see my mobile data, it's switched on, alright? And then when I go to the internet, spoon. What else? Anyway, as you can see there, it says it doesn't want to work anymore, alright? And as you can see my data is switched on, and it just won't work anymore. So there you go. Now you know how to use free internet for free, anytime, anywhere in the world. Alright? So you can use it anywhere in the world, any country, anywhere you want, in the bathroom, in your home, at school, anywhere that you want. Alright? So technically, you are sorted out, mate. Alright, I just helped you out, alright? So all you have to do is subscribe below, drop a like on this video, alright? So to stand a chance to win this brand new Galaxy S7, all you have to do is subscribe below, and thanks for watching the video, guys, and join the family. Subscribe below, alright? And take care. April Fools! Oh, my stomach hurts, man. Oh.